Hello my dear students and welcome back to Dr. Shaurav's classes. So let's look at the question first. And we are given that a student reads for 10 minutes. The rate of reading is RT measured in words per minute and we are given the table. So this tells us how fast the student is reading at specific times. Now let's come to part A. Approximate R-1 and we want the derivative at t is equal to 1. So we approximate using average rate of change from the closest data points. Since 1 lies between 0 and 2, we use R-1 is equal to R2 minus R0 by 2 minus 0. Okay. Now substitute the values. So we get 100 minus 90 by 2, that is 10 by 2, that is 5. So the final answer for part A will be 5 words per minute. Okay. So unit matter here. This means at 1 minute the reading speed is increasing at about 5 words per minute each minute. Okay. Now let's come back to part B. Must there be a value C such that RC is equal to 155? We look at the table. Okay. Now at t is equal to 8, R8 is equal to 150. At t is equal to 10, R10 is equal to 162. Since 150 less than 155 less than 162 and we are told that RT is differentiable, so it's continuous. Now by the intermediate value theorem, there must be some value C between 8 and 10 such that RC is equal to 155. Okay, so the final answer for part B will be yes, such a value must exist by the intermediate value theorem. Okay. Now part C. The trapezoidal approximation of integration 0 to 10 RT dt. Now we use the 3 sub-intervals given and that are 0 to 2, 8, 8, 10. Okay. Now the trapezoid formula, area is equal to half into base into sum of parallel sides. So first interval 0 to 2, that is half into 2 into 90 plus 100. So that is 190. Okay. Now the second interval 2 to 8, width is 6. So here half into 6 into 100 plus 150, that is 3 into 250, that is 750. Okay. Now the third interval 8 to 10. Okay. So here we get half into 2 into 150 plus 162, that is 1 into 312, that is 312. Okay. Now add everything. So we get 190 plus 750 plus 312, 312, that is 2521. Yes, 1252. Okay. So the final answer for part C will be 1252 words. So the student reads approximately 1252 words in 10 minutes. Now come to part D, teacher's reading model. We are given that WT is equal to minus of 3 by 10 T square plus 80 plus 100. This is a rate function in words per minute. So to find the total words read in 10 minutes is integration 0 to 10 WT dt. Okay. First integrate. So integration minus of 3 by 10 t square dt is equal to what? Minus of 3 by 10 into t cube by 3, that is minus of 1 by 10 t cube. Okay, integration 80 dt is 40 square and integration 100 dt is equal to 100 t. So antiderivative becomes 1 by 10 t cube plus 40 square plus 100 t. Okay, now evaluate from 0 to 10. Plug in 10. So we get minus 1 by 10, 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 100 into 10. That is minus 100 plus 400 plus 1000. Okay, that is 1300. Now plug in 0 gives 0. So total 1300. Okay, so the final answer for part D will be 1300 words. Now final summary for part A. The answer will be 5 words per minute. Part B, yes, by intermediate value theorem. Okay. Part C, 1252 words, and part D, 1300 words. So this is the final summary of this question. So I hope this solution is clear to you. If you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so see you in the next session with a very new and interesting question. Till then, bye bye and take care.